Everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card like this. And this card is very easy to make, so I will make a quick tutorial after I show you how it looks, okay? So as you can see right here, I use dies for these two hearts, and these are stickers for the letters that says I love you, and this is a die that I just cut like a shadow in black, and this is a regular paper doily. Okay, now I use rhinestones and I use some stickers that I had in my stash, and these stickers are from Michael's. And for the base of this card I use cardstock in red, and as you can see right here I cover with a pattern paper, and at the back I use another color of pattern paper, and right here is my information. And now I'm gonna show you inside. It looks like this. I decorated with pictures and papers and stickers, so it looks full, see? And for these pictures I printed in the computer, and when I cut it bigger like a Polaroid, so it looked very cute, see? And as you can see, I put a picture up here, and one recommendation that if you put a picture in this part, you have to cut it. So when you put the picture, try to put it in the way that you don't cut the head or the face of the person. Like in this case, I just tilted, so I have to cut on top and then at the bottom, but don't do it exactly on the head or on the face. It's not going to look good, okay? And right here at the bottom I wrote you love me, but, and right here in the center you are going to open and find out the secret message. You love me, but I love you more. That's something that I always say to him. Every time he says, I love you, I said, I love you more. It's so fun. Okay. And as you can see, I use a paper that has two hearts, one bigger than the other. So you have to be creative and make something fun for your loved one. Okay. So this is a nice way to make a Valentine card, or maybe a birthday card or something like that. And you can use pictures and you can use stickers and papers. As you can see in this card, I use cardstock for the base. But now I'm going to show you how you can make a card using double-sided paper. So I'm going to use this double-sided paper for the base, and I will decorate it like a scrapbook. And we need to cut the paper, and you reserve the part that you want to show at the front, okay? For example, I want this one at the front, so I'm going to use this top part for the base. It's going to be a 6 by 12, so I had to cut at 6 right here. So you will have two pieces like this, a 6 by 6, and one that is 6 by 12. And you are going to score, okay, lines right here at 3, at 6, and at 9. And once you have the score lines, you can use either side, okay? So I'm going to use this one for the inside. So you are going to fold this one like this, and this one like this, okay? And then you will fold to the back. This is the center, the inside. Okay, you're going to open like this, and you're going to fold it down. And we're going to make cuts from here all the way to this line, okay? At 1.5, at 3, and at 4.5, okay? So I'm going to use my cutter, and I'm going to put it up here. It's going to be at 1.5, okay, right here. Here is the line in the center. Then at 3, okay, and then at 4.5, okay. You can turn to the other side if you want and do it at 1.5. And I'm going to start at the bottom in the middle. and I'll do it like this. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And this paper, we're going to cut it in half so we can put it inside, okay, these ones to make an opening. So I'm going to cut it at 3, but because it has to fit inside, I'm going to cut at 1/8 of an inch. So it's slightly less than 3, okay? So it's going to be just 1/8 of an inch, like right here, less than 3, okay? So I'm going to put my paper right there. And then the other one, the same, okay? Just put up over there and then 1/8 of an inch less. So you have 2 papers like this. Now you can use these papers, okay, this way right here, but it's going to go through like you are weaving a basket. But you can use any side. So I prefer to give the same look to the paper. So I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, see, like weaving. And now the other one in the opposite way. Okay, you are going to pass it through. Okay, you begin on the top, then see how easy it is to go through. See, and now it's going to look like this. And as you can see, it looks just one color, and you're going to decorate it on top. So in the back, it's going to look like this. Okay, so you can maybe make a border or decorate with another paper on top. So it's up to you. Okay, so right here, you are going to find the secret message in the center. And look, now if you use the double-sided paper and put it away, you can find these 2 colors. Okay, so if you turn this paper to the opposite side like this, I'm going to show you how it's going to look. Okay, see, your card is going to look like this. And when you turn to the back, it's going to look like this. And your secret message is going to be like this color. So you decide how you want. For this one, I was thinking that you can use this one as a cover. And what better way to use this one at the front, okay? And make a cover like this. And then you can add a pocket. So you can put tags in here. See? You can add some glue right here on the side and glue this one. And you can have a pocket for tags, okay? A tag with pictures, big pictures. What do you think? Huh? You can use it like that. And everything with a 12 by 12. See how beautiful. And it will cover like this. And I'm going to glue this one right here so you can see better, okay? And that's it. This is how it's going to look. You open it, then you have up here a pocket, and then you can put a tags with pictures. You have room for journaling or more pictures, and you can make something fancy up here with a secret message. See? Ta-da! So this is one idea using a double-sided paper. Then inside right here where the pocket is, I just put washi tape. So you don't have to put a lot of bulkiness, because then your card is going to look very, very thick. You have to use like papers, washi tape, stickers, okay? And whatever you want dimensional, it can be on the top. And I cut some papers that I'm going to use for this one. So right here I cut, these are 4.5 by 4.5. And I cut this one at 4.5 by 9. Okay, you fold it in half and then you have a card. And I chose that size because I have the glue right here. See? And if you want a bigger card, you can put a hinge right here on this side. and your card can be bigger. Now I cut two more squares, and these are 4.5 by 4.5, and I'm going to put one up front up here and the other one in the secret place. Right now I'm going to show you how to glue this one in here, because you cannot just glue in there, you have to cut in pieces. Okay, when you are going to glue the paper, any paper or any size, it can be a bigger paper, you are going to center it. Okay, for example, right here I can see that it's in the center. Okay, my paper. If you want, you can add a washi tape so it doesn't move. You can add a washi tape on the side, but for me it's okay. I'm going to use a ruler, and I'm going to use a pencil, and you are going to mark the lines. Try not to move the paper. Okay, and I'm going to mark the lines. For example, this one goes right here. Okay, in between this one, and I'm going to cut that. Then on the sides, okay, it's right here. Lines have to match the cut right here. Okay, so be careful with that. Once you have the paper with the marks, you are going to cut it. Okay, and now as you can see, I have the pieces already cut. Now what you're going to do is put glue or tape, and then you're going to glue the same way you have to arrange the paper, the same way that you cut. So when you put it in here, it's going to look like exactly the same design. Okay, and that can be with any other design, okay, with sayings or anything. And now I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, you have to put it straight, the papers, and this one had to be in the center. Okay, the one that went through. And then when everything is exactly like it should be, then you're going to glue, you're going to put the paper just by the edge, okay, of the cut. And you don't have to put a lot of tape or glue. Okay, like as you can see, I just put two on the two edges, and then you are going to match. See right here. Is that okay? That's okay if you don't fill in the center, because the center is going to open. And right here there is another piece. See, and it's going to look like this. Okay, then you can add anything. And I'm going to use a die cut, and I'm going to do the same way. Okay, put it in there, make the lines, and then cut it, and it would look like this. And I already put the paper inside, so when you open, it will look like this. See? So I hope you get inspired to make one of these cards. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.